Okay, students, previous day I have sent you the videos for all the formula of perimeter and area, which in which no area is also included. Once again, I will just give first recap. Just see all this formula you need to know to solve the sums from this exercise. That is exercise 2B, 1B, page number M13. So today we will finish area part, then left with statistics and all that we will see. Now see formula. To find out the area of a square. Other day we finished perimeter. Now today we will learn area. Area, what are the mandatory formulas for you? See square. What is the formula of a square? Is, you know, if you know the side of a square, each sides of a square are equal, isn't it? That you know. So if you know one side of the square, then if you know the length of one side, then the side square will be its area. Side square. So area formula of area of a square is side square. Now, if you want to conversely find out the side, length of a side, then what will be? Root over of area. Root over of area. That means if the area is suppose 16 centimeter square, then length of a side will be root over of 16, that is equal to 4 centimeter. You understand? How will you find out the root over? I will just give you a task, however you should know it. Now, area, let me tell you before I tell about detail in area. Area always unit will be square unit, because side into side. If the side is 1 centimeter, then again another is 1 centimeter. So you multiply the centimeter square will become. Therefore, area unit will always will be square unit. Side unit always will be unit. Whatever the unit is there, it is centimeter or meter, it will be. And perimeter also will be unit. Area will be always square unit. Volume will be always cube unit. All these things you must know. So area of a square will be side square, length of a side square of a side square. So side will be conversely root over of area. Moving on to rectangular area formula. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Here length into breadth. If you want to find out length, when the area is given, that will become area divided by breadth. Breadth will be conversely, it will be area divided by length. So you have got these things. Now some other areas also you are supposed to keep in mind, just like triangle. Triangle can have three formulae for to find out area. First is half into base into height. If a triangle base is given, on that base the height is given, and then formula will be half into base into height, especially for right angle triangle and the triangle where the height and the base is given, half into base into height. If you don't have anything, if you have the length of all the three sides, you can find out by Heron's theorem, that is root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S is the semi-perimeter, a is side, length of side, one side, first side, b is length of second side, and c is length of third side. I hope you have understood this formula, root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. You need to know all the three sides of the triangle. Now, to find out the area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 square. This is the formula for to find out triangle. However, triangle area is not in a syllabus this time. So, but still remember, some other things are also there. Suppose you need to find out the area of a parallelogram. So, base into height. Base into height will be the parallelogram area. Rhombus area will be, the product of the diagonal. So, like this trapezium area will be, sum of the parallel half into sum of the parallel side into height. Like this, all these formulas there. If you want to find out the area of a circle, it will be pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7. R is the radius of the circle. Like this, if you want to find out the area of a cylinder, it will be pi r square h. Like this, the formulas are there. You should remember at least this many formula, and you should know this must know point. 1 meter square is equal to, see, in 1 meter there are 2 centimeter, no. 1 meter square means there are 2 meter, no. 1 meter into 1 meter, then only 1 meter square. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then another meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, it will be 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 centimeter square. People does the mistake 1 meter square, basically write down 100 centimeter square. No, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter is fine, but 1 meter square is equal to 100 into height, 100. Could you understand? 1 meter cube meter is equal to what? 100 into 100 into 100, because in 1 meter cube there are 3 unit of meter are there. 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. So all the 3 meter, if you convert into centimeter, there will be 100 into 100 into 100. That is the same thing is here only. You must remember all these things. 1 centimeter square, similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to how much millimeter? 10 millimeter. So 1 centimeter square, there are 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. No. So for 1 centimeter it will be 10 millimeter, and then another centimeter will be 10 millimeter. So 10 into 10, 100 millimeter square. This particular formula you must know. This master point you should remember. 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Therefore, 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. We take 1 liter water. We just keep 1 liter of oil. That is equal to how much? 1000 cubic centimeter. 1000 centimeter cube. Remember this, because sometimes you need to find out the capacity of a water tank or so. That time, if you find out in metric measures, then you can convert that one into liter. Could you understand me? Now I move on to the sums. I have taken question number 2. Question number 2 is said to you. You will have to find out the area of the rectangle. These are all basic things. Though I will have to solve 1 or 2. That's what I taken. The length of a rectangle you need to find out. Find out the area. You will have to find out. Length is given. Breadth is given. So area of a rectangle formula, length into breadth. So length is 16 whole 1 by 4 meter, and breadth is 6 whole 3 by 5 meter. 16 whole 1 by 4 meter is equal to 65 by 4 meter, and 6 whole 3 by 5 meter is equal to 33 by 5 meter. If you convert it in number 2 improper fraction. Now that is what you have done. Area is equal to length into breadth. So 65 into 4 into 33 into 5. If you do it, then 2145 divided by 20, which is equal to 429 by 4 meter square, which is equal to 107 whole 1 by 4 meter square. That is the answer. Otherwise, it can come in point also. Now, question number 3 I have taken for a square. The side area is given. You need to find out the side. Here the root over value comes. Whenever square area is given to you and you need to find out the length of any of the side, then that time will be root over of area. That is why it is given to 256 centimeter square is the area of a square. You need to find out its side, length of one side. Length of one side of the square will be root over of area. That is equal to root over of 256 centimeter square. Centimeter square is centimeter into centimeter. So out of root over it will be only centimeter. Therefore side will be 256. How will you take out the square value? You split the number into the product of prime factor. If you split the number into product of the prime factor, you can write down the number as this. Isn't it? So 256 has been split into product of the prime factor, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the power 8. 8 times 2, product of 8 times 2. Could you understand? Now 8 times 2, keep it under root over, and root over means in a pair. If you want to take out some number out of root over in a pair, you have to take out 1. So out of this 2, then 1 2. Out of this 2, another 2, then out of this 2, another 2, then out of this 2, this 2. So 4 2. That means as many number of prime number will be there, even number, half of the prime factor will come out of the root over. That is what it has been. So 8 times 2, so that is equal to 16. 16 centimeter is the side of the square. I hope you have understood. I will cover some more in the following videos, then that will clear it.